You've probably seen these viral AI videos on social media. They're fun, creative, and super popular, getting millions of views in just days. Just look at this Instagram account. This account has only 14 posts and each of the videos getting millions of views. Here's another YouTube channel. You might think these videos are hard to make, but I'll show you a simple step-by-step process to create them and make money. Step 1. Go to Ideogram AI. In the box, paste this prompt. A 1-year-old kid standing on sand facing a chicken. Both look ready to fight, or modify it as you like. Select the 9:16 aspect ratio. Perfect for Instagram and YouTube Reels. Choose an image style. I picked photo and cinematic. Click generate, and in a few minutes your image will be ready. When the image ready, download it. Step 2. Convert image to video. Click create, then select image to video. Upload the image you just created. In the prompt box, enter a description for the animation. Try something like a fast-paced fight between a boy and a chicken. The chicken flies after a punch, dust rises from the ground. Click generate, and within moments your video will be ready to download. Step 3. Add background music. Go to pixabay.com and search for punching sound effects. Choose a sound that matches your video. Use a video editing app like CapCut, Canva, or Premiere Pro to add the sound. Export your final video and upload it to your social media accounts.